in Providence. I'm Meredith Cohen here with Laura Perone. We're here to describe the future of energy.
These are our current sources of non-renewable energy. Petroleum consumes 41%, coal 25%, hydroelectric 4%, and nuclear 9%, and natural gas 20%.
Coal production starts at a mine where it is collected. Miners look for either bituminous coal or anthracite because they are the most expensive and produce
Coal
the
is
most
then
energy.
transported to a yard where it is stored into a place on a conveyor belt that sends it to a pulverizer. The pulverizer uses metal plates to smash the coal, and it is then sent to a fan, sending it to a boiler. The plant sits on top of a body of water that is pumped into the plant, where heat from the burning coal in the boiler turns it into steam. The steam generates a turbine, which causes energy to be produced.
One of the most unique methods of alternative energy resources is using people to provide energy. The heat your body produces could actually heat a whole building. In fact, in Stockholm, Sweden, it's already happening. A property admission company named Björn Huset is planning on capturing body heat from train commuters traveling through Stockholm Central Station. The heat captured will then warm water running through pipes, which will then be pumped through the building's ventilation system. In Paris, France, a low-income housing project will also be using body heat to warm 17 apartments in a building directly above a metro station.
In the United Kingdom, they are also using body heat to produce energy. However, their method is a bit different. They use gases released from the cremation process in a crematorium. The energy in cremated bodies is being captured already as it passes through filters to remove mercury. Instead of letting the energy escape, pipes now are being used to pump it through the building.
These are our renewable resources. Biomass is 53%, hydroelectric 31%, wind 11%, geothermal and solar is 2%. Biomass is currently the most used renewable source of energy.
The sun generates more than enough energy to meet global requirements for a year. The energy is free and efficient, causing no real environmental harm. However, they are expensive, ugly, and require a lot of space for use. The panels have individualized compartments called cells. When the sunlight hits these cells, electrons are knocked loose from their atoms as the electrons travel through the cell and generate electricity.
Wind turbines in 2013 produced about 4% of total U.S. electricity, equaling about 15 million houses. Wind energy has grown significantly. Electricity generated from wind increased from 6 billion kilowatts to about 168 in 2013. Today, windmills are used to generate electricity throughout the United States. The turbines on the windmill use blades to collect the wind's kinetic energy. Like airplane wings, moving wind moves over the turbine blades and causes them to turn. The blades are connected to a drive shaft which turns an electric generator that produces energy. Although lots of its space is needed for windmills and the turbines kill birds, wind energy is extremely renewable.